Dinosaur fossils have been found on every continent of Earth including Antarctica, but becoming a fossil is pretty rare for a large land animal. The fossils present on Earth are an extremely small fraction of all the dinosaurs that ever lived. Fossils require burial. So how deep are the dinosaur fossils buried? Which countries have the most amounts of fossil discoveries? And what is the deepest fossil ever found? In most cases, when a land animal dies, its remains are quickly scattered and destroyed. You can imagine how hard it would be to entirely bury something bigger than an elephant. Most dinosaurs are only known from single bones or partial specimens. Our best dinosaur fossils come from times and places where the animals were rapidly buried, such as in a river moving a lot of sediment or in a floodplain. As these layers of sediment build up, they gradually harden into rock, preserving the bones and other organic matter of the dinosaur as fossils. There are whole ecosystems of dinosaurs we will never know about because the right conditions for deposition were rare, or any rocks that formed have been eroded. The depth at which dinosaur fossils are found can vary depending on factors such as the age of the fossil and the geological conditions of the area. Depending on the rock layers where the fossils are preserved, they can be found anywhere from a few meters to several kilometers deep. Most of the dinosaur fossils and the greatest variety of species have been found high in the deserts and badlands of North America, China, and Argentina. It's not fruitful to explore areas without exposed surface rocks. Digging hundreds of meters deep in search of dinosaurs is unlikely to yield results. Instead, the key is to locate areas where the right types of rocks are accessible at the surface. Deserts are particularly favorable for fossil hunting due to their open landscapes and minimal vegetation or structures obstructing the view, allowing for extensive exploration. Many times, fossils have also been found by chance while excavation in mines. This shows that dinosaur fossils can be found at any depth where rock formations of a certain age are present. As far as the deepest dinosaur fossil is concerned, it was discovered in Norway's Snorre offshore field in the North Sea. At 2,256 meters below the seabed, the fossil was discovered during an oil drilling operation. This fossil is a crushed knuckle bone from a Plateosaurus, a herbivorous dinosaur that lived 200 million years ago in Europe and Greenland. The old North Sea land was not a sea but a huge area where big rivers meandered through dry plains, depositing a lot of sediment, making it an enormous alluvial plain. There could be many more fossils buried deep into that part of the earth. About 251 million years ago, when dinosaurs first appeared, they roamed the supercontinent of Pangaea. But by the time of their extinction 66 million years ago, the continents were in approximately the same place they are today. This meant that dinosaurs evolved independently in different parts of the world, becoming more diverse. In the 2 centuries since the first dinosaur bones were identified in England, nearly 11,000 dinosaur fossils have been unearthed worldwide. About 1,000 dinosaur species are identified, and it is estimated that at least that many more have yet to be found. That's all for today's video. Like and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.